Alright, good morning guys. So, here's the issue. I have a lot of students that are not turning in their work. So what we're going to do, I locked week 4's module until some of that work is done. So in order to move to week 4, I'm going to walk you through how to get through it. So if I go to English 1 Honors, your class, okay, you will see the announcements. This video will be included. Okay, I'm going to go to Student View. All right, here we go. So if I go to Modules, okay, and week 1 should be the first module, of course. So in order to open week 4, okay, you need to have the What is my why redo right here. Okay, if this assignment is not complete, it won't let you open module 4. Sometimes the modules, okay, will have the little circle right here, and it will need you to check it, and it will turn green. Okay, so that should be the way that you get into the module. I am going to delete any other assignment that's in here. Okay, and then you just go ahead and make sure your why redo is done, and then it will let you go into module 4. Okay, all right.